Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to use the nDash content calendar to keep your team up to date on all of its content related projects. Let's take a look. The calendar displays three key items: due dates, publishing dates, and custom events. Due dates are simply the date that an assignment draft is due. These can be found on the calendar and marked with one of four statuses: in progress, submitted for approval, completed, or past due. You can change the due date by dragging and dropping anywhere on the calendar or by editing the assignment summary, and these changes will be sent to your nDash writer. Publishing dates? Well, that's exactly what it sounds like, the date that a piece of content is scheduled to go live. These can also be dragged and dropped within the calendar. And lastly, custom events, or notes as we call them. These are simply used to note any assignment currently being worked on outside of the nDash platform. If you have any questions, head on over to our help topics. Thanks for watching.